Check your brake pads. It's relatively easy to do. Most cars these days have four-wheel disc brakes, um, which means that it's very easy to see the components and particularly the pads that get worn over time. But there are a number of things that you can inspect by yourself that will tell you whether or not you need to have brake work done. Now, I have to caution you, please make sure that you do this when the car has sat for a while and everything is cooled down. All these components get extremely hot, and so you could really burn yourself if you're not careful. One of the cool things is in most cases you can check these components without removing the wheel. This is one of those times when a flashlight will do you some good. I did bring over my shop light so you can see this. But if you look through your wheel, you'll see this plate right here. That is your brake rotor. And it should be smooth. There shouldn't be any grooves or bumps in it. And certainly no cracks. If any of those exist, then chances are pretty good you're going to need to get new rotors. So the caliper is toward the front on this particular wheel. And these calipers, that's where the pads reside. You can just barely see the back side of the pad right there, that little black piece. And so this is actually on a different car that I'm doing some work on. Here's your rotor. So it actually has a little bit of rust on it because the car's been sitting. This is the brake caliper. And then this piece in here with the letters on it, that is your brake pad. So the way this works is as this is spinning around, and you push on the brake pedal, fluid builds up in the caliper and it squeezes these pads against this rotor so that it, in essence, is squeezing it to stop the rotation of the wheel. And so these pads here, this is what wears out. As you can see, the brake pad consists of a backing plate, this little back plate here, and then the pad itself, the piece that's actually against the rotor. And it's that piece that wears out. Once that wears out, then the metal piece, the backing plate, can come in contact with your rotor. And that's what you do not want. This particular brake has that little feeler that starts making noise against your rotor. When you run out of brake pad, that little feeler just rubs against your rotor and starts making noise. So you know it's time to replace your brake pads. A lot of more modern pads will last, 60,000 miles pretty easily. But it's always a good idea to check your pads frequently to make sure that you aren't wearing your brakes quicker than normal. And there are lots of reasons why brakes can wear more quickly. It could be that maybe the caliper has gotten stuck and it's wearing the pad down quickly. It could be, let's say you have a hitch on your vehicle and you are towing a lot of things, and so you're wearing that pad out more quickly because you're not only braking the car but a trailer or your vehicle in the trailer. Or it could be that the type of material on your brake pad, maybe it was a cheaper pad and they're not designed to last as long. So it's always a good idea to check your pads frequently. I like to do it about every time I change my oil just to see where we're at. On more modern cars, another great thing that could show up is actually have the brake light show up on your dash. That is not 100% because depending on the organization that you go to have your oil changed, some of those locations will top off your brake fluid reservoir. And the way that light works is when it's trying to tell you that you need to change your brake pads, is that as you use your brakes, the fluid leaves this reservoir and slowly moves into the brake system as the brake pads wear. So when it gets to the point where it needs to be replaced, Under normal circumstances, this will show up as low in here. And so that's what turns the light on your dash. If the service department or your oil change company has topped that off, that's no longer allowing you to have that as an indicator, because there's now more fluid in the system than would normally be there. So if you like what you see here, please like and subscribe for more content, and hope to see you out there.